A local clone already keeps unpushed work private, but when I hand unfinished work to a coding agent, I still need a safe, reviewable path back to public Git history. Veil is that control layer. Veil gives a maintainer one encrypted private change. A person or a Codex agent can work on it. Veil captures and independently checks the exact result, and nothing is published until the maintainer approves it. The alpha runs on Mac OS and Linux. One verified installer provides the command line interface and MCP companion. Opening a repository pins its public base commit and creates encrypted local context. There's no browser, daemon, or hosted runner in the local workflow. Here I ask Veil's optional Codex harness to make a small change. The harness uses GPT-5.6 in Codex. Codex gets a managed workspace with no .git directory, no GitHub publication credential, and no Veil encryption key. When it finishes, Veil encrypts the result and removes the disposable plaintext workspace. Veil doesn't trust tests from the original work view. It reconstructs the captured snapshot in a fresh native evaluator, denies verification network access by default, runs the pinned recipe, scans the patch for private material, and binds the proof to a patch hash. If no recipe exists, Veil says unchecked instead of pretending tests passed. Publication is a separate, explicit action. I can export a local patch or, if I have repository permission, create a dedicated draft pull request. Veil rechecks the current result before release, and no public Git reference exists until that approval succeeds. I built Veil during build week with GPT-5.6 in Codex. Codex accelerated the encrypted snapshot engine, command-scoped runner, native verifier, command line interface, client integrations, release pipeline, and test coverage. I made the key product and security decisions, one linear result, an optional website, explicit publication, and honest alpha boundaries instead of inflated privacy claims. Veil is a developer tool for maintainers who want agents to help before a change becomes history. Private changes, independent proof, deliberate release. Try the alpha at useveil.dev.